For more videos subscribe. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. (301) Pursuit, noun search. Synonyms: hunt, seek. Antonyms: retreat, surrender. Sentence: she left home in pursuit of happiness. 302 Sovereign, adjective autonomous. Synonyms: self-governed, monarchical. Antonyms: subordinate, dependent sentence, that government was sovereign in its culture. 303 Cessation, noun end. Synonyms: abeyance, finish. Antonyms: beginning, introduction. Sentence: the principal believes the cessation of the school dress code will open the door for inappropriate behavior. 304 Quandary, noun difficult situation. Synonyms: predicament, dilemma. Antonyms: good fortune, boon. Sentence: he has been trapped in quandary. 305 Endear, verb attract attention. Synonyms: captivate, cherish. Antonyms: dislike, hate. Sentence: she tried to endear everyone. Disseminate, verb distribute. 306 Synonyms: advertise, circulate. Antonyms: hide, conceal. Sentence: it took years to disseminate information about AIDS. 307 Incantation, noun spell. Synonyms: charm, magic. Antonyms: reality, actuality. Sentence: the sorcerer knows an incantation to raise the dead. 308 Haggle, verb argue. Synonyms: bicker, dispute. Antonyms: agree, comply. Sentence: do not haggle with me. 309 Dally, verb dawdle. Synonyms: boondoggle, delay. Antonyms: hurry, hasten. Sentence: don't dally otherwise we'll miss the train. 310 Exemption, noun freedom from a responsibility. Synonyms: discharge, dispensation. Antonyms: accountability, liability. Sentence: the report confirmed their exemption from military duty. 311 Hilarious, adjective very funny. Synonyms: amusing, comical. Antonyms: boring, sad. Sentence: Ollie is a very hilarious student in the class. 312 Alleviate, verb relieve. Synonyms: allay, assuage. Antonyms: increase, intensify. Intensify. Sentence: take a Disprin to alleviate your headache. 313 Tolerance, noun fortitude. Synonyms: patience, resilience. Antonyms: lethargy, weakness. Sentence: she had a low tolerance for noise. 314 Conceited, adjective egotistical. Synonyms: arrogant, big-talking. Antonyms: diffident, humble. Sentence: the conceited man would not stop talking about himself. 315 Spurious, adjective counterfeit. Synonyms: bogus, false. Antonyms: genuine, true. Sentence: to win elections, politicians often make spurious promises to voters. 316 Obstruction, noun obstacle. Synonyms: blockage, hindrance. Antonyms: aid, assistance. Sentence: once the obstruction is removed, water will continue to flow through the pipe. 317 Esteem, noun think highly of. Synonyms: respect, admiration. Antonyms: abandon, condemn. Sentence: he treated all his colleagues with the same level of esteem. 318 Ridicule, noun contemptuous laughter at. Someone or something. Synonyms: caricature, derision. Antonyms: admiration, approval. Sentence: it may have been a simple ridicule, but it still made him feel rejected. 319 Persiflage, noun teasing. Synonyms: banter, frivolity. Antonyms: seriousness, humorlessness. Sentence: this persiflage is not appropriate when we have such serious problems to discuss. 320 CAULK, verb secure. Synonyms: block, barricade. Antonyms: free, loosen. Sentence: it only remained to caulk their important task, and this occupied them for a day or two. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.